Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, Shenseea just post to picture up on Instagram and she says she do her body. Now, we have to talk about Shenseea leading up to this moment because Shenseea been offline since June 1st and she came back like 3 days now and she been posting every day since she come back, at least once a day. You see me? So the first thing she posts a picture with she and her moms, and she say wish she had more time broken hearted. So most people are say, around this time of year last year that her mom passed away, so maybe she had take some time for those, think about her mom, and she still a deal with that. Maybe that's why she come off line. And then yesterday people she post again and she say that she's sorry that she went away, she will never do it again. But today people, there was the Shenseea just drop a bomb in her day. She just drop 2 bikini picture, boom, pan way hot like that, you see me? And she caption it and say, I invest in my body, yeah, I'm done up. Now people, me not know about Uno, me not know how much different way Uno can interpret this, but you know what I mean, to me, it sound like she get the boobs them done. As a matter of fact, it never sound like it look like also. You see me? But I want to know what you think, you know what I mean? It's kind of hard for me like picture about me. Even did I go scroll down our timeline and I look on some picture and I say, if, you know what I mean, then look any bigger or nothing like that. But it's kind of hard to tell because this is a bikini pic and she don't really have nothing else like that immediately on our timeline where we can say, boom, all right, make a quick comparison. You see me? So it kind of hard to tell. Now, we'll know in due time if I saw it go. You see what I say? Everything will come to light or not. Or if Shenseea does run games with the item. But I don't know if she have no reason for really do nothing like that. You see what I say? But maybe, I don't know. She just want to get it out of the way before people start talk about it. Because people did always say Shenseea do her bottom and thing from time. But now she make sure that she tell we right out of the starter block. That means that when people start speculate and start say things, we can't say we never know. She talk it already. Now people more know when they think about this because right now we in a time where this is the norm. Everybody enhance themselves. Well, the females them still. You see me I say enhance themselves. I get them body done. Everybody, I fluff up. Everybody try for you know what I mean? You want to know how the shirts got people. Someone know when to think about this that Shenseea post today. You know what I mean? Get down in the comment section. Tell me what you feel. What go on. You see me I say big up Shenseea and stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.